Our project is widening to 4-lane and strengthening of Chennai Tirupati Renugada Road, kilometer 59/6 to 61/6. My batchmates are Mr. R. Karthik, R. Sabariraj, and myself, B. Nageshwaran, guided by Mr. M. Amir Tansir. Upside, it has been proposed to widening to 4-lane and strengthening of Chennai Tirupati Renugada Road at kilometer 59/6 to 61/6 of our highway department, Chennai. Introduction. The urban stretch of road from kilometer 59/6 to 61/6 of Chennai Tirupati Renugada Road has been declared as state highways road and transferred to state highways department for further improvements and maintenance. Objective. The road project aims to widening the road by removing an encroachment and to avoid the accident. Methodology. Surveying, history of existing road, planning and design, soil testing, road material testing, design and analysis, drawing details of the road, estimation, and results and conclusion. This is the proposed location of the road. The existing road consists of lots of potholes and patches. Existing road cross section. These are the traffic census details of the road at Chennai 61/2. This is traffic census result. The number of commercial vehicle per day in both directions is 16,978. These are the road leveling details. This is the longitudinal section of the road. These are the land acquisition detail of the road. Location map of quarry details. The quarry details are such that they are very nearer to our site to reduce the distance between the rest will be carried out by my colleague Mr. R. Sabariraj.
Next, design standard. Design standard urban road obtained as per IRC 86 and 1983. Design speed 80 km/h and camber 2.5% and the shoulder width 1.5 meter and the median 0.61 meter. Soil testing. We connect the factor test and to the result as moisture content and the dry density. The shown in graph, we calculate the maximum dry density and optimum moisture content. Next CBAT test. The CBAT test 90% we are calculated 0.98 into 2.196 equal to 2.152 gram per cc. And weight of soil taken 480 grams and also weight of water 200 cc. So CBAT chart. The CBAT chart, no correction here. Observation and calculation, the penetration 5 mm, the CBR value 12%, and also penetration 5 mm, CBR value 12%. The average CBR value 12%, table is shown here. The result, as the various location result, the CBR value. Next, metal testing, aggregate impact X, the GSP, WMM, DBM, BC, and to result GSP 30% maximum, and WMM 30% max, and DBM 27 max. And what of the states also the GSP, WM, DVM, DC layers. And to size of aggregate, GSP got less than 55 mm. And next, the combined practice and electration test, layers of WM, BC and BC, the layers of connection test. And the result has required 30% maximum all the layers. So based on determines, this will conduct a pen test set and sounding point test and a gate test. The value obtained, these are the 60% penetration and sound computing and agility. Next, my colleague will continue.
Design for widening. The design for widening is obtained using the software IIT based software version 1.1.5. The data input data are given in the CBR values are entered. From this, the average pavement thickness are calculated. The pavement thickness layers are calculated using the software for GSB 280 mm, for the WMM 250 mm, for DBM 200 mm, for BC for 40 mm. Design for widening. The design for widening is calculated using the Benkelman beam method. From this, the Benkelman beam test is conducted at the chain edge 61/2 to 61/6. From this, the deflection values for the all locations are calculated, and the average deflection value is taken from this. From IRC 81, the thickness overlay design is calculated. The thickness design for For the DBM is 80 mm and for BC is 40 mm. Estimation. The estimation for the project is calculated. The quantity for the various particular various items are calculated, and then the rate are calculated as per state highway department. And the overall estimated cost for the project is 9.01 crores. Results and conclusion. The 2-lane road of width 10 meter is widened to 4 lane and of width 18.11 meter with paved shoulders at both sides. Carriage width is equal to 7.25 meter, and the paved shoulder 1.5 meter, median 0.61 meter. And the pavement thickness for the proposed road is GSB 280 mm, WMM 250 mm, the DBM to 200 mm, and for BC 40 mm. The estimated amount for the 2 km stretch is 9.01 crores. The estimated amount per kilometer is 4.50 crores. These are the references that referred for code books and the standards. Thank you.